Alright guys, it might be a quiet video. Not sure. If someone walks by, I'm gonna stop talking, but anyways, this is what I did yesterday and today, so if anything else, that's all you need to know. So I'll just show you what I did, and that's probably gonna be about it. So I got some plugs, and that hops over to that plug, which goes into that plug, which goes over to this plug. So this is a laundry room, and these are home runs. These four. Then you got some lights. Then I did this today. Kind of messy, but that one's nice. Some more lights. 3 lights in here. 2 lights on that side. 1 there, 1 there. And then, so basically you got your home run here, which is going to the hallway and MC. Then you have one send-in power down to that plug. This one comes in and out, and this goes up, and then it goes over here, and then it goes there, and it hits this box, and then from there it hits this box. From there it goes up and over, and then it goes to this box, and then back out to that box. So, and then you got the lights, which the lights home run here and MC out to the hallway. 1 jumper wire, send in power over to this box, and then the switch leg up to the light, and then it jumps in between. And then here you got, so I already told you, you got the home run, you got the jumper, send in power over to that box over there. And then this switch leg, which just goes up and into here, and then another jumper wire over to there. And then you got a home run right here, and that's jumping out to here, and then to there. And then this is a dedicated home run, so just 1 plug on that. And then home run here. I was gonna put it here, but I decided to move it over here. Anyways, I don't know why I did that, but anyways, so home run here, and then in and out, and then out there. So that's what I got going, so hopefully you enjoyed this. So anyways, I think that's gonna wrap it up. Someone else did this, but anyways, thanks for watching, thanks for stopping by. If you liked it, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for the support, everyone. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Catch you in the next one. See ya.